This guy eats his weight in duck jerky, but you know what? He ain't chasing no ducks. They should make squirrel jerky. Solve two problems at once. Get rid of all these pesky squirrels that eat up things like golf courses, lawns, retaining walls, and everything else. And give the doggy some treats. Ducks wouldn't mind. You hear the squirrels? Obviously those poison traps are not working. Get out of there, Wiley. Don't get near that. Hey, hey. Well, that's a deterrent. Don't get dirt up your nose. Don't hurt yourself, you crazy dog. I'm biting it, trying to get it. That squirrel must have said something real bad. He ain't playing. I think it's over there. These ground squirrels make a mess out of the ground. That must be the honey hole. You could dig that hole really big and get your head in there, but your butt's gonna stop you, Wiley. It's like a big cork. There's one thing Wiley's serious about. Hunting. Okay, let's stop now, Wiley. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't want you to get dirt up your nose and make a bigger hole than these squirrels already did. Come on, buddy. Let's go walk. Come on, let's walk. Oh, that did it. He popped up in this whole area over here.